What's happening, man? Got these old school Jordan.
Normally don't deal with tennis shoes, man. I don't really know anything about them. I got a buddy who spends a whole bunch of money on this stuff, so give me a second.
Chum, what's up? These are Jordan number 5s. I have 40 pairs of Jordans. That's it? Only 40 pairs. Decided to come to the pawn shop today to sell my 1990 Air Jordan. Not only they don't fit me, things are a little tight right now, and I'm looking to get a little extra money and pay a couple bills. These shoes are in mint condition, even though they're 20 years old, and I'm looking to get probably about $500 from what I'm thinking. Where'd you get these? A buddy of mine gave them to me about a year back, owed me some money, said they were the original shoes from back when Jordan won the championship in '90. Jordan definitely won the championship wearing the 5. You know, this is one of the classic Jordans right here. They made the tongue out of 3M material. It's reflective. Jordan doing the flashy dunks he would do would be up in the air. Everyone snapping a picture, and the tongue would glow.
Chum's brain doesn't work like most people's. I mean, it only seems to absorb information about video games, pinball machines, and basketball shoes.
Jordan 5 OGs, they can go for several $100s. But I got some news for you. This isn't the shoe that came out in 1990. This shoe was actually released in 2009, 19 years later. Kidding me? My buddy told me that these were real, man. How can you tell that they're not the... It doesn't look like it, but this whole shoe was actually made out of reflective material. What? Do you have a camera on you? When you take a picture of it, it's easy to tell.
It's alarming how much you know about this. It really is. It's hard to get used to the idea that Chum actually knows something. I mean, normally he's as dumb as a pile of rocks.
And we can take a picture of them, and you'll see this whole shoe's made out of 3M. Only the tongue is supposed to flash out on the originals.
You know what, Chum? You're right.
Wow.
Unfortunately, man, I'm not a shoe store. If they were the original ones, I could probably see doing something, or if Jordan wore them.
Whoa. These are still a very nice shoe.
You can buy them out of your pocket then if you want.
How much you want for them? I don't know. $100? How about 50? 75. 75, all right, deal. So these paperwork. Man, I couldn't believe that the shoes weren't real. My buddy was going to get it for me. You know, I got something for them, but for the most part, I thought they were going to be worth a little bit more, and they weren't. So I'm a little disappointed.